Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your account verified on TikTok. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will once again end back into the home page from which you can start scrolling through various posts. Now, if you wish to get your account verified, then in order to do this, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap on the menu icon at the top right. From this page, just tap on Settings and Privacy, and now you will find your account settings. Tap on Account, and within this page, if you have already met the requirements in order to get your account verified, then you will find the Verify button underneath your password and passkey option. If you haven't already switched to business account, you can also tap on Switch to Business Account, and then you can fulfill all of your information in order to turn your account into a business account, which will make it easier to get verified. Now, if you have not met the minimum requirements of 1,000 followers, and if your profile age is less than 16 years old, then you will not be able to verify your account. So make sure you meet the requirements for verification, and once you find the Verify button, you can simply proceed forward and fill all of the criteria and credentials to get your account verified. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to get your account verified on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.